Here's the secret. It's not about being the biggest fish. It's about finding the right pond. Step 1. Understand your audience. And I mean really understand them. What keeps them up at night? What problem are they dying to solve? Once you figure that out, creating a product becomes so much easier. Speaking of products, the possibilities are endless. Ebooks, courses, software, you name it. But here's where most people go wrong. They focus on features instead of benefits. Don't just tell people what your product does. Show them how it's going to change their lives. For example, don't say, "This course has 10 modules." Say, "This course will help you double your income in 90 days." See the difference? One is a feature, the other is a benefit that speaks directly to your audience's desires. Now let's talk about building a community. This is where the magic happens. Imagine having a group of people who are not just customers, but raving fans. That's the power of community. And it starts with providing genuine value. Create a Facebook group, start a Discord server, or even just engage regularly on social media. The key is to be consistent and always focus on how you can help your audience. Next up, marketing. And no, I don't mean spamming people's inboxes. I'm talking about creating valuable content, engaging with your audience, and yes, building that all-important email list. Remember, it's not just about making a sale. It's about building relationships. One effective strategy is to offer a free, valuable resource in exchange for an email address. This could be a mini course, an ebook, or even a helpful checklist. The possibilities are endless. Once you have that email list, nurture it. Provide value consistently, not just when you're trying to sell something. Now, let's talk about pricing. This is where a lot of people get stuck. Remember, your price isn't just about the content of your product. It's about the transformation you're offering. Don't be afraid to charge what you're worth. If your product truly solves a problem, people will be willing to pay for it. Another key aspect is diversification. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Create multiple products at different price points. This allows you to cater to different segments of your audience. So, can you really make $10,000 a month selling digital products? With the right approach, absolutely. It won't happen overnight, but it is possible. And hey, even if you fall short, you'll learn valuable skills along the way. So, what do you say? Are you ready to give it a shot? If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And let me know in the comments, what digital product are you excited to create? Until next time, keep hustling. And remember, the only limit is your imagination. This is me, signing off. Let's make those digital dreams a reality.